about your boy, about the 89ers boy. He does so many things and we don't know what it brings, but he always tries so hard. Later on, it's Friday night, the disco lights are shining bright. He has to play some songs for some motherfucking hunks who are shouting all the time. And we stand here together, together forever. And I say hello, everybody singing whoa.
The 89ers gonna punk this place.